Today, we will talk about how to stop ants from coming in the house naturally. Let's have a look at the details. Ants outnumber humans 140,000 to 1, meaning that there are over 1,092,000,000,000,000 ants on Earth. Even so, it doesn't mean these pesky insects have to make themselves comfortable in your space. There are plenty of ways to deter, repel, and keep ants out of your home. Watch on to learn what you can do to stop ants from coming into your house uninvited. The first method is keeping ants out of your home. Seal cracks in windowsills and doorways with caulk. Close the gaps around windows, doors, and walls. This way, ants won't be able to squeeze into tight spaces and get into your house. Line entryways with diatomaceous earth, salt, or commercial poison. Using anti-ant substances to keep ants out of your house is a more aggressive tactic than caulking the cracks. These fine substances create a barrier of chemicals that repel or even kill ants. Make a non-toxic ant deterrent with white vinegar and/or cayenne pepper. Believe it or not, you may have what you need to protect your home in your pantry. Ants have mild to severe reactions or aversions to specific smells. Make a tape barrier along entryways. Line your kitchen with adhesive tape sticky side up. No poison or messy powders are necessary, making this method safe for kids and pets. When ants try to climb over the tape, they may stick to the adhesive and be stopped in their tracks. Place the tape on the edge of walls, counters, or floors where ants have been roaming. Dust talcum powder over high traffic areas to make a barrier. Although there isn't much science backing it up, many believe talc can help deter ants. Don't leave food out. If ants come into your home, they're most likely looking for a food source. Do your best to keep high-traffic food areas, like your kitchen and dining room, clean. Wipe up any spills or crumbs when they happen, and avoid leaving food unsealed out in the open. Always put your food in airtight containers to prevent any insects from getting inside. Keep your sink clean. Remember, if there's nothing for ants to eat, they likely won't come into your living space. Avoid leaving dirty dishes and standing water in your sink. Instead, opt to clean everything right away whenever you can. The more sanitary the environment, the less likely ants will come. The second method is how to kill ants. Squish the scouts to keep other ants from coming. Colonies regularly send out lone ants, or scouts, to check for food sources. If you see an individual ant strolling across your coffee table, don't let it make it back to its nest alive. Use water to drown a large number of ants. If ants are all over your wood or tile floor, throw water over them and wipe them up with a paper towel. If ants continue to raid your home, consider raiding theirs. Locate the nest and pour several gallons of boiling water into it to kill most of the ants instantly. Kill the queen to disrupt the colony. The queen produces a large number of ants and gives direction to the nest. Therefore, if you destroy her, you destroy the ants. Look for the queen at the center of the ant nest and use boiling water or pesticide to wipe her out. And the third method is de-ant trap. Mix borax with maple syrup to make your ant poison. Boric acid, or borax, affects ants externally and internally, making it the perfect bait. The ants bring the poison to their colony and spread it around. Administer the bait. Place a dollop of the mixture on an upturned lid or a low dish for easy access. Then, set the item with the mixture in an area where you've seen the ants. Wait for the ants to show up. Move the bait closer and closer to the nest. Once there's a line of ants, place the bait next to the trail. The mass of ants will shift to swirl to pick up the sweet bait and carry it back home, killing more members of the colony. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.